Huh? Yeah, but you know, last time I fished her like 2 hours and didn't catch one fish. And I just think because it just gets hammered. What do you think? Right or left? To the left of you? Huh? All right, let me go by you here. Oh, shit. Go ahead. I'll follow you. I bet you and Josh would enjoy this. Playing guitar? Are you even dragging, Mike? That's I think it looks like a cichlid. Yep. Yeah. They're fun to catch, ain't they? They hit hard, don't they? Yep, that's a cichlid. That's they call those a Rio Grande perch. It's a nice fish, huh? Is the light red? Yeah. Okay. Get him filming. My brother's first fish on a fly rod. Yeah, that is like the smartest fish in the world. And you know to like wet your hands before you pick them up and all that? Huh? Before you pick fish up? Wet your hand? Yeah. Well, now you know. That's for this little pole here. He's trying to get unhooked. I mean, he's a decent, I think he's a Guadalupe. It's a decent Guadalupe. Either that or a largemouth. Ah. Oh, that's a big wad. Oh no, it's a largemouth. It's a largemouth. Yeah. Dun-dun-dun. That's why I was going to ask you to put on a bigger fly. You cooked. I know they're this is where I caught like a bunch of them. Like, you want to put on a bigger fly? Okay. I know they're. I don't think you're going to get them to bite on that little fly, the bigger bass. Oh man. Here, so. Here, hold on. I'll come over there in just a minute. get you another fly.